Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the thermostat to 24-26 degrees. This balances comfort and energy use. Once done, seal gaps and lower blinds to cut solar heat so the Aircon works less. Next, clean or swap the filter and confirm 0.5 1-meter clearance around the outdoor unit. You want unobstructed airflow. These actions instantly reduce runtime and improve efficiency, so start with them now and move quickly to fine-tune the system for steady savings. You now optimize operation by using timers and sleep modes to cut unnecessary runtime. Program 1 2-hour offsets when occupancy changes. Make sure to set fan to auto rather than constant low speed because auto saves power by cycling fan with compressor. Also, use zoning, close vents for unoccupied rooms, and focus cooling where you are. These steps reduce compressor cycles and lower kWh consumption, and once set they deliver steady savings without sacrificing comfort. You finish by scheduling annual maintenance to verify refrigerant level, clean coils, and test electrical components. This preserves efficiency. If you plan upgrades, consider inverter models or a smart thermostat for long-term savings and better part load performance. Make sure to monitor performance. If you see error codes, unusual noises, or weak airflow, reset the unit, then inspect filters and outdoor clearance. If problems persist, call a qualified technician. Timely fixes prevent energy waste and protect equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.